Hey dudes and dudettes, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. This is my first one of 2021 and I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I'm going to make myself a coffee. But anyway, let's remember, let the Wookiee win. Right, I am a huge fan of a certain coffee maker. I love a Dolce Gusto made by Nescafe. Other brands are available. And I've got hold of this one and it's got one of those sliders on the top. Now I've never used one of these before, so I don't really know what's going to happen. So let's make a coffee and let's see what does happen. Here we go. Okay, so what we need to do first is get her going. That was quick. Oh, never done that before. Right. We need, I believe it's 5 for the milk. Put the milk pod in the cartridge. Cup underneath. And we'll set 5 and now, will this turn off? Must be getting there. Oh, right, okay. Still dribbling out. So, take that. Put that in the sink for now. Coffee pod in. Now, apparently this needs to be on 2. 1, 2. Okay. Now, will it stop before it gets to the top of the cup? This is the one thing I do want to know. All right. Okay, we could probably go a little bit more there. I do like a good full cup of coffee. And I was there, right, so that probably could do with being 3 rather than 2. But, the coffee pot out. Put that in there for now. Clean that up in a minute. Nope, wrong. Right guys, so that, oh god, it's dribbled out the side. Oh, if there's one thing Dolce Gusto know what to do is how to make a good coffee. So yeah, never used one of those Dolce Gustos before that's got the clicky level bits on the top, and it does seem to work, so they must know what they're doing, which is always good stuff. So now I am going to go enjoy this coffee. I'm going to have a biscuit as well, and I will catch you all later. Hope you're having a good day. See you later guys. Bye bye.